You're welcome to my channel. On today's video, we want to learn on how to cut gather gown with big hand. So this is the material we're going to use for the gather. So this is the material, it's plain black. So now I'm going to minus the half length. The half length is 15 and a half. So I'm going to minus the 15 and a half. I'm minusing the 15 and a half. Just pay attention so you can get the tutorial very well. So I will minus the half length now. The half length is 15 and a half. So I minus 15 and a half. That is, the full length is 38. So I will just cut out the 38 now. This one I'm cutting now is what I'm going to use to gather it. This is the one I'm going to gather. Yes. So this is it. The one I removed up is the half length. So I minus the half length. Then the full length. That is what I'm marking now. So pay attention. So now I'm going to cut it out. I'm cutting it out now. Cutting the gather. This one is the one I'm going to use to gather the clothes. This is the gather. Actually the one I'm going to gather now. So I have cut it out now. So pay attention so you can get the whole this thing. So now I'm going to cut out the half length. That is upper side. So I'll cut out the half length now. I'll cut out the half length now. Pay attention please. So see the material. I put the material into two because the front is going to be a overwrap top. It's going to be wrap round. That is overwrap. So the half length is 15 and a half. That is what I got. I put 2 inches sewing allowance. So this is it now. You can see it now. So pay attention. So I just mark it. I'm just going to mark it very well. So this is it now. So how to get the wrap round, the overwrap? I'm going to get 9 inches. I will just slant it with my French curve. I will slant it with my French curve. That is wrap round. So you can see it now. So I'll slant it with my French curve. Pay attention. Okay, the 9 is not enough, so I'm going to make it 10. So it will just wrap very well. So that is it now. I'm going to slant it. The easiest way to cut it. Some will just cut it and just remove the other one, just wasting of material. So this is the easiest way you can do it. So now I got this thing, just slant it like that. I slant it like that. I'm going to cut it out. Pay attention. As you can see it now, you can see it. It out now. Cut it out. Sorry for the breeze. The breeze is disturbing us because we are actually outside. So just sorry. Pay attention. You still get it. So I'm cutting it out. Pay attention. So I cut it out now. Problem. You can see. You see it very well. So I'm cutting it now. Pay attention. So you can get it. The easiest way to cut overwrap without wasting your material. So this is it now. As you can see how the thing is. And I'm going to get my shoulder now. From that slant, I'm going to get my shoulder. My shoulder is 5 inches. Then my armhole is 7 inches. I'm going to mark it. Then I'm going to join it together like this. I'm just going to join it together. Yes. Then give it a slant like this. That is the armhole. So let me just cut it so you can see what I'm talking about. Just pay attention. All right. Okay, you can see it now. Let me just arrange it. You can see it very well and see how the thing came out looking. Okay, you can do it like this. You can do it like this. I can actually do it like this. That is wrap round. The easiest way to cut it without wasting your material manager. You can see how the thing is. That is wrap round. You can actually do it the way you want. If you want it to be bigger than this, you want it to be taller than this, you do this thing, the head from the beginning. You just do it 5 and this thing and half. So now I'm going to cut out the back side. So I'm cutting out the back side. I want to cut out the back side now. So please pay attention. This is the back side. I'm putting my material into 2 for the back side. So you can see it now. So I'm going to get the half length. The half length is 15 and a half plus 2 inches sewing allowance. That is 17. So I mark it now. then I'll minus my this thing zipper allowance. Zipper allowance is 1.5. You can actually do yours 1.5 depending on your fabric. So my own is 1.5. If your material is enough, you can do your own 1.5, even 2, depending on how you want it, how the material is. Then after that, I'll just get my neck. My neck is 3.5. Then my shoulder is 5 inches. Then my armhole 7 inches. I'm just going to mark it, draw it down, right? This, then join it together. I'll just join it together and give it a slant. Then sorry, the breeze is just disturbing us. Sorry, pay attention, you still get it. So now, sorry, oh. So now, as you can see now, you can see how the thing is. I'm going to get my bust length, my under bust length, and my waist. Then my under bust, like my bust length is 33 actually, divided by 4, making it 9.5. Sorry, 37, making it 9.5. But I'm going to do the same on. I'm going to do the same thing in all. So after, when I want to shape the clothes, then I'll just give it that curve. But I'm going to do the same thing. What I got in the bust, I will just do the same in the under bust and the waist, just to cut it straight. Then when I want to shape it, I will now give it a curve. That curve, because my under bust is 33, then my waist is 31. So just pay attention. You can see it. So I'll just get 9.5. So put 2 inches sewing allowance. I will do the same with the under bust. If you want to get your normal measurement, then you can get, but what I want to do my own like this is just to get a straight cut. Then when I want to shape it, I will now give it that the normal measurement, the normal circumference. Now I will do the same on the bust. As you can see how this is now. So this is the full length, this is the zipper allowance, this is the armhole, the bust, under bust, and the waist. Then you can see it very well. See how the thing is. You can see it very well. So this is the neck. I'm going to cut down by 2 inches. I'll mark the 2 inches, then give it a curve like this. So you can see it very well. I'm going to cut it out. Pay attention. I'm cutting it out like this. So I'm cutting the armhole now. This is the armhole. I'm cutting it now. Then to the shoulder. Then I'll cut the shoulder now. Let me cut the neck. This is the neck. Cut the neck. I've cut out the neck. I will now slant the shoulder like this, so it will be balanced on your shoulder. So I slant the shoulder, and I'm going to just cut the zipper allowance. I'm going to cut it into 2. This is the zipper allowance. Cut it into 2. So that is it. That is it for the back side. So you can see it now. So I'm going to now cut out the hand. The hand is a big hand is going to have elastic. So I'm folding it now. Fold it into 2. Fold it to 2 like this. So pay attention. So you can see how I'm cutting it. The down is going to be elastic. I'm going to put elastic on the hand. So the full length now, pay attention. The full length is 23 plus sewing allowance. The elastic allowance, that is 24. This is it. This is the 24 now. So you can see it. I'm now curving it. This is the armhole side. I'm curving it like this. I'm not going to just give it a curve because it's going to have elastic down. So I'm just going to cut it out like this. Cut it out like this. So I'll cut it out. I'm going to use this one to cut the other hand because the material is not actually enough. I'm going to use this to cut the other hand now. So pay attention and see how it is being done. So I've placed it. So I'm cutting it out. So you can see how I'm cutting it. Second hand. This is what I'm cutting out now. Pay attention. So this is it. The 2 hands are ready. They are ready. The 2 hands, they are ready. Okay, you can see it. So the down is going to be elastic. I'll put elastic in the down, as you can see. So I finished cutting these clothes. Now I'm going to go out to my sewing machine to sew the clothes and show you the outcome of the clothes. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. You can see the outcome is very beautiful. Please subscribe. Oh, subscribe. I'll give you more details. Subscribe for me. Oh, thank you.